US, UK, and Germany indices, all of them traded extremely bullish here, where Germany and FTSE 100 both have achieved the record levels, and the S&P, Nasdaq, and Dow are not falling far behind. So, what to expect now today from these five major indices? Way to enter, way to exit, how to profit. We're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day. The next update will be released before the US session. Subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First, we look into the US indices, followed with Germany, India, and UK 100 watched. S&P traded bullish, and it appears it is just almost a notch below the record levels at 6100. Can we, and it is appears that it may move towards this. Can we expect a movement here towards 6100 and breach past the record levels? Let's see. First of all, the bullishness here getting diminished. That is the first part. It is forming a curve. Second is divergence of the price from the 20 period. Now see, wait for a breakout here. See, it has come down towards the next milestone at 6065, 6070 zone. Once it stays beyond this, the chances will be high that 6085, 6100 will be seen. But what I am looking at is the little divergence it is showing from the 20 period. The support levels at 6050 and 6040 are now going to be the most critical support. Previously these were the resistances. Now these are going to play a major support role. But also notice, if you connect the highs, if you connect the lows, this is an expanding triangle. The lows here are towards 596040. Right now it is not showing any signs of reversal, but yes, it appears the highs are almost nearby. Yes, the indicators are slightly overbought, specifically the stochastic and the RSI. The MACD is still having room for further rise though. On the 2-hour chart, similar observation. Notice that every rise offset with a drop and a support at 20 period, rise and the support at 20 period. Now it has taken a good ride, and it can come down to take the support from the 20 period. Possibility exists here. Also look at the bullishness getting diminished. This calls for a little reversal. So if you now see it is staying below 6060, you can stay short for 6050, 6045 as the first target, 6040 as the second, and 6032 as the third. Once it drops below 603230 is where the reversal will begin. Yes, the stochastic overbought, while the MACD has room for rise and the RSI is just entering into overbought zone. Look at the three. Similar is the observation here on the 3-hour chart. See, it is trading in this bullish channel very clear, and with higher highs and higher lows. Nice bullish flag is getting formed here. Straight bullish candles are observed. The support levels now at 6000 is pretty strong, and then first at 604050. These are the two levels it needs to break in order to turn bearish here. Yes, the stochastic, despite being overbought, the MACD also is staying at an extremely elevated levels. It has to show a reversal, but it is not showing any signs of it. RSI is also likewise following. It is staying at overbought zone, and the same is on the 4-hour charts. Straight bullishness here, and now it has to show signs of reversal, but not showing it. So yes, if you see it is now staying below 6054, you can expect it to take trade further bearish, and then 604540, 6032, very good support exists till then. Yes, the indicators are slightly overbought here. It has to show a drop here, but not showing it. Coming to the on the daily chart, similar observation. See two candles, and with the bigger tail preceding one, with the higher highs are seen here, and the preceding one closing at the top. The today's current candle is starting on a bullish note here. A move beyond 6070, 6080. So if you see it staying beyond 607080 zone, we are looking forward to a very good rise, which can again take it towards the record levels at 6100. See the crossover here in the moving average, and the support of the price from the 20 period moving average is a very good indication of a underlying bullishness here. Though the stochastic is overbought here, while the MACD is now looking upwards and the RSI top. So now if you look at the charts, I will recommend you to buy here at 607274 levels. Expect 6080, 6085 as the first target levels, and 6100 as the second. Any move beyond 6100 is a clear sign of reversal, clear sign of rally, clear sign of further bullishness. 6120, 6150 can be seen very soon. While I expect that these are going to remain a greater hurdles on the upside till 6100, thus you should be very cautious on the upside. On the downside, now I'll recommend a selling entry at 6060 levels, where you can expect 60545 as the first support level, and then below that 6045, 6038, 6030, 3032 should be the second one. Now 603032 is going to be the strongest support. If at all S&P starts to reverse, and below that you can expect a correction towards 6020 and 6000 levels. I do not see that happening, but yes, if it can bounce back from the bottom, it can reverse from the top as well. Below 6000 is where major correction should be seen here towards 596040 levels very soon. Now let's move to Nasdaq. And before we move to Tech 100, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. If you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me or Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Look at the hourly charts for Tech 100. See, higher lows are seen, diminishing bullishness here. If you now see it is staying below 21,680-660 zone, you can expect that there could be a move towards 21,620, 600. And if 21,600 is taken, I think we are looking forward to 21,550, 540 levels at the next. If you notice, after this bigger slump, it has shown a very strong recovery and it is almost trading at the top of it. So if it tries to retrace here, 21,500 can be expected, which is going to be the next stronger support. Yes, though the stochastic is overbought, while the MACD and RSI still have room for further rise. On the 2-hour chart, similar. See here, the bulls appear to be exhausted on the upside. See, diminishing bullishness is seen, and thus 21,680, 700 zone. If it takes, you can expect a move towards 21,660 and then 21,600, 620. Below 21,600, 620 is where more bearishness should prevail. Till 21,600 you have to be very cautious, because see, this was the strong resistance. Now it is going to be the strong support, and then anyways 21,550, the second one, which is the strongest one on the downside. Yes, this is slightly overbought on the stochastic, while the MACD RSI is still having room for further rise. On the 3-hour, similar observation here on the 3-hour chart. See a resistance here on the upside, and now it is very important for S&P or Nasdaq 100 to trade below 21,680, then 21,660, and if these two are taken, then you can expect a reversal, as it is still not to be treated bearish. Yes, it has shown a good swing here, but it is not showing signs of extreme bearishness here. It has found the support. Every candle has closed above 20 period moving average, though the indicators, specifically stochastic, is overbought. And the MACD, if you look at, see, these are the levels from which it shows a reversal. So let's hope for a reversal, but it is not showing as of any signs as of now. Coming to the similar observation here. See, 3 bullish candle with diminishing body size suggests diminishing bullishness here. Let it stay below 21,680, 660. Any drop below this is the only sign of reversal here, where the prices can again come down to take the support from the 20 period, and now breaking below 21,550, 500 is where you can expect a massive correction, chances for which appears to be less. Yes, things are getting overbought here for Tech 100. Coming to the daily charts, when you look at the see, preceding 2 candles comes with a bigger tail here. See, specifically the yesterday's one, and today it is resumed on the upside. Now at best, even if it is bearish, it has to show swings, a complete reversal, because see, big previous candle comes with a bigger tail, so complete reversal appears difficult. But yes, as in how it moves on the downside, if it trades below 21,500 and 400, you can say now prices have reversed. Yes, the stochastic overbought, MACD trading with divergence and bullishness, RSI right. So looking at this, the buying entries are towards 21,747.50, where you can expect 21,800, the critical milestone for Tech 100, and staying beyond 21,800 is where the bulls are waiting. You can look forward to see 21,800, 816 is the first resistance zone, and then you can expect it to move towards 21,880 zone. Beyond 21,880, I think we will look forward to the record levels here towards 22,000, 22,100 levels as well. Possibility exists less, because see, yes, it has come out of this channel, but I can see it may try to create a broader one with lower highs, which means it is going to be difficult for it to stay above 22,000 now. On the downside, a selling entry today is now at 21,680. Expect 21,660, 650 at the first, 21,600, 620 at the second, 21,540 is the third, 500 as the fourth, and if it trades below 21,500, then you can confirm that the bears are back. 21,400, 21,200 should be seen. Take your trades accordingly. Let's move to Dow. See, US30 has seen a very good ride. It is now taking the support. It is just consolidating. Now it is very important for it to trade below 44,000 levels, and any drop below 44, 43,980 should take it towards 43,950 and 43,900. Now till 43,900, US30 has got very strong support, and any bearishness today is only below 43,900, where we will aim for 43,800, 750 levels at the next targets. Remember, every rise has to be an offset with a little drop here. Let's see if it can move towards the bottom, which is right now towards 43,600. Stochastic has dropped here. MACD willing to cross over for sell. RSI coming out of the overbought levels here. It is, yes, it is stayed overbought for a while now. Look at the formation here. Every time it diverges from the 20 period, it comes down to take the support here from the 20 period, and this could be no other exception, which means 43,800 levels. Let's see if it drops here below 44,000, 43,950. You can expect increasing bearishness here. Yes, the indicators are slightly overbought here for Dow Jones. And on the 3-hour charts, also similar observation, nothing different. Yes, every time it is moved up, it has come down to take this up, and it increases the possibility here. Yes, the indicators are overbought here, and this calls for a little retracement. On the 4-hour chart, similar observation, it is just consolidating, wait for a breakout, which could mean a reversal. Now, see, when the movement gets sluggish, it means it is waiting for the indicators to climb up. It may take the support here and then bounce back up again. So, this possibility is what we are exploring. Moving average is definitely staying bullish, trading with divergence. Yes, the stochastic, MACD, RSI, all are staying overbought here on US 30. Coming to the day, similar is the observation on the daily chart. See, it can show you complete reversal. It is right now staying bullish. It has come down to the critical milestone, critical resistance zone here at 100 levels. And thus these are going to play a major role, because once it trades beyond 44,080, 120 levels, we are looking forward to 44,200. And once it trades beyond 44,200, it may lead to a stronger recovery. Possibility exists that it can come down towards 43,800, 750 zone. And if it is bullish, the recovery will be seen. Else, we are looking forward to a possible reversal here. Yes, it is trading extremely bullish. The moving averages have now converged. These are on the verge of a crossover. But my only worry point is the preceding candle, which comes with a bigger tail and a bullish closing. So it is going to be now difficult for US30 to reverse completely. But if you look at the formation, I see that it can still possibly reverse. It has seen a stronger rally here, and the chances of reversal cannot be denied from the current levels. But right now the stance is not so bearish here. Yes, the stochastic overbought, MACD also, and the RSI rising. So yes, things are still bullish, but things are getting overbought as well. So looking at this, I will recommend you to sell here at 44,020. Expect 43,970, 950 as the first target zone, 43,900 as the second, and trading below 43,900, chances will be very high that we may see US30 at 43,800, 760, breaking below which 43,600 should be there, chances of which appears to be less. Take your trades accordingly. Let's move to Germany. See, DAX now has breached this channel, and it is now taking the support from this channel itself, which means if you now see it is staying below 21,130 levels, you can take a selling entry for 21,100, 080. Now 21,100, 080 should be the first support zone here on the downside, then 21,040 levels, and below that 21,000 will appear. See, yes, every rise is offset with the retracement here, and now DAX is on the same levels where it can try to retrace, and thus 21,000 is going to be the next strongest support here. Moving average trying to converge crossover for a sell, RSI coming out of the overbought zone. On the 2-hour chart, similar observation is seen here. Drop, then a retracement. Now if it corrects below 21,130, you can take a selling entry for 21,100, 21,050, and in fact 21,000 levels. Till 21,000 it has got greater support. Below that only you can say that the bears will be taking over. Stochastic dropping here, MACD trying to cross over for sell, RSI overbought. On the 3-hour, similar observation, this let it stay below this zone, let it stay and break below 21,130 levels, 120 levels, and then you can expect a good correction, which can in fact take it towards 21,050, 21,100 levels, 21,000 levels possibly. Below that, the strongest support it has created is now at 2880, which should be taken in order to confirm a reversal here. Yes, things are overbought here for Germany. It has seen a very strong rally, and some point of time it has to show a reversal. And now if it stays below 21,100 levels, you can say that this could be the beginning of the reversal, where the prices can move towards 21,000 or 2880, 900 levels. Things are definitely overbought here for Germany 40. Coming to the on the daily chart, similar observation, support at 2880, 900. With that as support, it has bounced back, expanding triangle. It can come back towards this zone, but it requires a lot much of effort. Right now the stance is not so aggressively bearish, and thus I will still say things are overbought, but it is not willing to give up as of now. It is looking upwards consistently. Yes, it is overbought at an extreme level, and thus a possible reversal is what you can wait for. And on the upside now, 21,180, 200 is the only buying entry here. Beyond that, 21,246 and 21,278 should. Beyond that, you can expect a stronger recovery, chances of which towards 21,400, chances of which appears. On the downside, a selling entry, I will now recommend it as 21,130, 120 levels. Expect 21,000 20080 is the first target zone, 20040 is the second, and 20,000 is the third. Below 20,000 is where the bears are waiting. You can expect 2900 levels as the strongest support here on the downside. Trade accordingly. Let's move to UK 100 trading with divergence towards the 20 period. It is now trying to convert. The support levels here are pretty strong, and thus if you see it is staying below 8550, you can take a selling entry. That should be the strongest support here on the upside. And as long as 8550, 8540 levels are not taken, you should be cautious with the sells. And below that, 8520, 8510 level should appear as the next support. Stochastic at bottom, MACD crossing over for sell. RSI has dropped. Signs are not so encouraging here for the bears. See the movement here. Look at the rise, the retracement, and now if it breaks out beyond 5870, 5880, you can look forward. Oh, sorry, 8570, 8580. You can look forward to 8600 as the next milestone. Look at every rise drop followed with an offset, and then this is the third time. And yes, higher lows, higher highs. Thus, it is very important for you can to trade below 8540, 8520 zone, the greatest support here on the downside. Stochastic has dropped sharp. MACD bearish. RSI has just come out of the overbought zone here. Likewise, on the 3-hour chart, similar observation. It is trading with moderate bullishness, support towards 8520, 8500. Very strong, very strong here. Yes, the indicators are trying to cool down a bit after staying overbought. See, hardly any movement is seen in the price, yet the indicators have cooled down significantly. Look at the moving averages trading with extreme divergence. Look at the support it is created here, and thus now 8580, and then in fact 8480 should be another support here on the downside. Yes, things are getting cooled down a bit after a good bull run and hitting the record levels here. Coming to the day, here on the daily chart, similar observation. Wait for it to now trade below 8550, 8540 levels. If these two levels are taken, then we can expect a further drop towards 8500, 8480. See, it is trading with too much of divergence from the 20 period. It has to some point of time start converging, and now 8480 is one level on the weekly prices where the prices will confirm a reversal towards 8400, 8300 levels, chances of which appears to be less. But whenever you see this is anyways a breakout. It has stayed in this zone for multiple weeks and now giving a breakout. So it may continue here, but even if you connect this, you can find out every rise has to follow with an offset. And now 8300, 8200 is going to be the prime support here. Things are definitely overbought. It has to cool down some point of time. So selling here at 8550 should be a good idea, but then 8540, it needs to break. Then 8520, the second one, 8500, the third, and 8480, the fourth. Till 8480, do not think you FTSE 100 is bearish. Below 8480, we are looking forward to 8400, 8300, 8200 levels as well very soon. On the upside now, a breakout beyond 8770, 8570, 8580, just stay bullish for 8600 here. Yes, it can move to 8600, and any move beyond 8600 is another good invitation for a bull run towards 8628, 8648 levels, and then beyond that 8680 levels should be seen. Chances of which appears to be less as far as my opinion is concerned. Take your positions, take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my Signals channel, reach out to me for your queries, join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel membership here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day.